First up on our list is purchase protection, the unsung hero of credit card perks. This nifty feature is like a safety net for your new purchases, and it's all about keeping your hard-earned money safe. So, what exactly is purchase protection? Well, it's a perk that comes with certain credit cards, and it adds an extra layer of security to your purchases. If your new gadget gets stolen or damaged within a certain period, usually around 90 days from the date of purchase, your credit card company steps in to save the day. They'll either repair, replace, or reimburse you for your loss. It's like having a personal bodyguard for your purchases, ready to spring into action when things go south. Think of it this way: you've just bought a shiny new laptop. You're thrilled and can't wait to binge watch your favorite shows, but alas, you accidentally knock it off the table. Now, normally this would be a nightmare, but with purchase protection, you might just be spared the cost of repairs or even a replacement. But how does it work? It's simple, really. If you've bought something using a credit card with purchase protection and it gets damaged or stolen, you file a claim with your credit card company. You'll need to provide some details, maybe some proof, and voila, they take care of the rest. Now remember, not all cards offer this perk, and there are usually limits to how much they'll cover. Plus, there are certain conditions and exclusions, so it's always a good idea to read the fine print or call up your credit card company to find out the details. So next time disaster strikes, remember your credit card might be your saving grace. Purchase protection is like a silent superhero, always ready to swoop in and save your day and your wallet. And that, my friends, is how you make your money work smarter, not harder. Stay tuned for more savvy tips on unlocking the hidden perks of your credit card. And remember, every rupee saved is a rupee earned. Moving on to extended warranties, the safety net you didn't know you had. Ever wonder why those salespeople push so hard for you to buy an extended warranty? It's because they're a goldmine for retailers. But what if I told you you might already have one in your pocket and it's not costing you an extra penny? That's right, many credit cards come with an often overlooked perk: extended warranties. Let's take a moment to demystify what an extended warranty is. Picture this. You've just bought a brand new, state-of-the-art blender. It's got more gadgets and gizmos than you can shake a stick at. The manufacturer offers a 1-year warranty, but for a few extra bucks, the store offers to extend that warranty by another year. It's tempting, right? But hold on a second. Enter your credit card's extended warranty feature. Many cards will match the length of the original manufacturer's warranty if it's less than a year, and add on an additional year if the original warranty is between 1 to 5 years long. That means if your high-tech blender decides to throw in the towel after its original warranty is up, your credit card could step in to save the day. And the best part? This feature is often included at no extra cost. Now, you might be thinking, great, but I've never had to use a warranty before. And that might be true, but appliances and gadgets have a funny way of breaking down just when you need them most. With your credit card's extended warranty, you've got a safety net that's ready to catch you when you fall. But here's the catch. Often, we're not even aware we have these benefits. They're like hidden gems waiting to be discovered. So take a moment to dig into your credit card's terms and conditions. You might be pleasantly surprised at what you find. So the next time you're at the checkout and the salesperson asks if you want to purchase an extended warranty, you can confidently say, "No, thank you. My credit card has got me covered." You'll not only save money, but you'll also enjoy the peace of mind that comes from knowing you're protected. Ditch the store warranties, your card has got you covered. Ever felt the sting of a price drop right after purchase? Meet price protection. It's that secret weapon you didn't know you had. Just imagine, you've just bought that sleek new gadget you've been eyeing, but then the very next day, it's on sale. A heart-wrenching moment, right? Well, not if you have a credit card that offers price protection. This nifty perk means that if the price of your purchase drops within a certain period, your credit card might just refund you the difference. It's like a safety net for your shopping spree, ensuring you never miss out on a better deal. So, whether it's that designer bag or the latest smartphone with price protection, you can shop with confidence, knowing you'll always get the best bang for your buck. With price protection, you'll never miss out on a discount again. Jet setters, this one's for you. Discover the world of travel perks. Your credit card is not just a plastic rectangle. It's your passport to a world of luxury and convenience. You see, credit cards can make your travel experiences smoother, cheaper, and downright delightful. Let's find out how. First up, we have airport lounges. Forget the hustle and bustle of the main terminal. With your credit card, you can kick back in a private, comfortable lounge. Enjoy free Wi-Fi, complimentary food and drinks, and even shower facilities at some locations. It's the perfect way to start your journey in style. Next, let's talk travel insurance. When you book your trip with your credit card, you could be automatically covered for a range of travel mishaps. This might include lost luggage, trip cancellations, or even medical emergencies abroad. It's like having a safety net for your vacation. And of course, there are airline miles. Every time you swipe your card, you could be earning miles towards your next trip. It's simple. The more you spend, the more you earn. And with enough miles, you could score a free flight or an upgrade to business class. It's like getting rewarded for living your life. But remember, not all cards are created equal. Some offer more generous perks than others, so do your homework. Compare cards, read the fine print, and choose the one that best suits your travel needs and lifestyle. So next time you plan a trip, remember your credit card. It's more than just a payment method. It's your ticket to a world of travel perks. From airport lounges to travel insurance to airline miles, these benefits can make your journey more enjoyable and your wallet happier. Travel smarter and cheaper with your credit card in tow. So go ahead, pack your bags, book that flight, and let your credit card take care of the rest. After all, you deserve a break. And what better way to unwind than with a trip that's sprinkled with perks? Happy travels, folks. Who doesn't love cashback? Let's delve into the secrets of maximizing it. Cashback is more than just a catchy phrase. It's your ticket to pocket-friendly shopping. The concept is simple. You spend money and get a portion of it back. It's like your credit card is saying, "Thanks for shopping with me, here's a little something for you." But how can we make the most of it? Let's dive in. Firstly, it's all about the categories. Many credit cards offer cashback rewards on specific categories like groceries, dining, or even pet supplies. So, let's say you're a foodie who dines out frequently, or a pet parent who spends a good chunk on pet care every month. Choosing a card that offers cashback on these categories can help you save more. It's almost like getting a discount every time you spend. But remember, not all cashback cards are created equal. Some offer a flat rate on all purchases, while others have rotating categories where the cashback rate is higher. So, it's crucial to understand the nitty-gritty of your card's cashback program. Make sure to keep an eye on those categories and align your spending accordingly. And here's a little secret. Some cards offer bonus cashback rewards during certain times of the year or on special occasions. So, if you play your cards right, pun intended, you could be looking at some serious savings. The beauty of cashback is that it adds up over time. So, even if you're getting just 2% back on your purchases, that's 2% that stays in your wallet. Over the course of a year, that can translate into a significant amount. But the most important secret to maximizing cashback is to pay your balance in full each month. Interest charges can quickly eat into your rewards, turning your cash back into cash gone. So remember to spend responsibly. Remember, cashback isn't just a perk, it's a lifestyle. So go ahead and make the most of your credit card and let the savings roll in. Because every rupee saved is a rupee earned. Last but not least, let's talk about contactless payments, the future of transactions. Picture this. Instead of fumbling for your card and swiping or inserting it into a machine, you simply tap your card or phone and voila, payment made. This is the speed and simplicity of contactless payments, but it's not just about speed. Contactless payments also offer enhanced security as they use encrypted data for each transaction. So it's fast, it's secure, and let's be honest, it's pretty cool. But wait, there's more. Some credit cards are now offering extra rewards for using contactless payments. It's like they're saying thank you for embracing the future. So what are you waiting for? Tap into the future of payments with your credit card. Embrace the future and wave goodbye to old school swiping.